white pine needles. Okay, you're in the woods, you're lost, you need to eat. Your rations are all gone, you got no food, you're starting to get real hungry, and you're looking around thinking, what can I eat? You can eat the entire white pine tree. Yes, I said it, the entire tree is edible. So what you would really want, if you can find them, it's early spring. Well, it's late spring, early summer. If you're lost in that time, you're going to be able to see these little things that are on the white pine. So how you're going to be able to know it's white pine, you look at it, grows in little sprigs of needles, and there's 5 needles to a sprig. So these little things grow on them. That's the male part. You're going to take these off. They pop off really easy, and you're going to eat them. They are delicious. They're full of vitamin C. So what I do with these is I collect them, and then I dehydrate them, and then I bust them up, and I put them into capsules. So there's my natural vitamin C capsule that I take from these little bad boys, and they are boys. That's the male part of the tree. Very, very nutritional. So if you're lost, you got no food, and you're hungry, you can eat these. You can make a tea with the needles. You can actually eat the needles too. You can eat the bark, or you can dry the bark out, and you can use the bark for like a flour if you want to cook. The inside bark. Look for an older tree if you're going to get the inside bark, or if you're going to get the bark. Best for on an older tree, because you do that on a young tree, you get the inside bark and you're going to kill it. But an older tree, they get so big and they're pretty tough, it won't bother it. So I just bring a little bag, like I say, and pop those little bad boys in there. They're the male part of the tree. And that's it. If you're hungry, eat a pine tree. White pine.